Social self, relating harmonious properly with everyone. Topic 2, social role. A social role define a set of behavior that are expected of someone who hold a particular status. It's easy to confuse status and role, but the basic difference between them is that we occupy status and play a role. Topic 3, conformity. Conformity is a type of social influence involving a change in belief or behavior in order to fit in with a group or go along with the people around you. It is an essential social mechanism in society, and without it, we would not have social norms and acceptable behavior. Moral self, living with value and philosophy of life. Topic 1, quotation on morality. A moral is a lesson or principle that is typically derived from a story or event. It serves as a guide for ethical behavior and decision making. Often these morals are imparted through storytelling, especially to children, as it is an effective way to convey important value and teaching. Topic 2, morality. Morality, in simplest form, is the human endeavor to determine what is right or wrong in our action and thought, as well as what is good or bad about our existence. It is a deeply personal aspect of every individual belief system. Concept of self, understanding enhancing one self-image. Topic 1, concept related to their self. Self-concept is fundamental aspect of our psychological makeup, representing our overall understanding and perception of ourselves. It encompasses a broad range of thought and feelings that we hold about ourselves across various and dimension, physically, personal, and social. The physical dimension of self-concept involves our perception of our physical appearance, attributes, and abilities. It encompasses how we view our body, features, and physical capabilities. These include aspects such as our height, weight, attractiveness, athletics, and overall health.
Self, relating harmoniously and properly with everyone. Social norms are unwritten rules about how to behave. They provide us with an expected idea of behaviors or standards in a particular social group or culture which are considered acceptable and expected. The idea of social norms provides a key to understanding social influence in general and conformity in particular. Most of the time, social norms as well as social rules are powerful ways of understanding and predicting what people will do. Using talents, abilities, making skills, and motivation for success and responsible citizenship. Maximize your talents and abilities. Understand what you excel at and use these strengths for personal development and societal benefit, whether through academic pursuits or community service. There's always a way to apply your unique abilities to make a positive impact. This decision making as a responsible citizen. Each decision you make, both personal and academic, shapes your future and the future of others. Ethical informed decision making helps ensure that you contribute positively to your community. Social rules. Social rules. A social rules defines a set of behaviors that are expected of someone who holds a particular status. It's easy to confuse status and a role, but the basic difference between them is that we occupy status and play a role. Every status has an expected set of behaviors. A rule: a woman becomes a mother when she has a child and so occupies the status of a mother.
Week 6. Emotional Self. Achieving my emotional competencies. Emotions are complex responses to stimuli that influence thoughts, behavior, and mental states. The 6 basic emotions are happiness, joy and satisfaction foster optimism and connection. Sadness, linked to loss, encourages reflect and healing. Fear, reaction to danger, promotes caution and preparedness. Anger, response to injustice, drives assertiveness and action. Disgust, avoidance of harmful stimuli, supports moral integrity. Surprise, reaction to the unexpected, enhances adaptability. Physiological reaction to emotions. Fear, increased heart rate, dilated pupils, adrenaline release. Anger, muscle tension, flushed skin, heightened alertness. Happiness, release of dopamine, relaxed muscles, reduced stress. Sadness, slower heart rate, crying as a calming mechanism. Disgust, gag reflex, facial expressions, withdrawal. Surprise, raised eyebrows, quickened heart rate, sharp breathing. Managing emotions. Awareness, identify and level emotions to understand triggers, relaxation, use tips, breathing, mindfulness, and muscle relaxation. Activity, exercise, and hobbies as outlets for stress. Communication, share feelings and seek support. Self-control, pause before reacting and practice self-talk. Professional help, seek therapy for persistent emotional struggles. Emotional maturity. Emotional maturity involves self-awareness, empathy, resilience, and balance. By managing emotional responses constructively, individuals can foster a personal growth, healthy relationship, and well-being. Week 7. Social Self, relating harmoniously and properly with everyone. The social self is shaped by interactions and group memberships influenced by concepts like social identity, defined by group affiliations, looking glass self, how we think others view us, role taking, understanding others' perspective, socializations, learning societal norms and roles. Generalize other, internalizing broad societal expectation. Self-development depends on social interactions, cultural influences, role-taking, introspection, and personal experiences, shaping identity and self-awareness. Relationships are vital for emotional support, social skills, and growth, but that can also cause conflict and stress. Balancing the positive with challenges is key to well-being. Judgment and perception are influenced by biases. Awareness reduces their impact. Emotions. Emotional intelligence balances feelings and reason. Social influence. Critical thinking fosters individuality. Experiences. Openness prevents overgeneralizations. Information. Quality over quantity avoid distortion. Context. Awareness improves objectivity. Critical thinking and self-awareness help navigate these factors for personal growth and balanced decision. Week 12. Concept of self, understanding and enhancing one's self-image, discrepancy in self-concept, self-esteem, self-actualization. The self-discrepancy theory explains discomfort from gaps between 1. Actual self is who you are now. 2. Ideal self is who you want to be. And 3. Old self, who you feel you should be. Discrepancies cause emotional distress, sadness if you don't match your ideal self, or guilt if you fall short of expectations. Reducing these gaps improve emotional well-being. Self-esteem is vital for mental health, motivation, and positive relationships. To boost it, practice self-compassion and positive self-talk. Set achievable goals and focus on health, gratitude, and support relationships. Self-fulfillment comes from using strengths to achieve meaningful goals. Aligning actions with passions and values foster confidence, growth, and life satisfaction.